What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this new keyboard that I got. It's an RK keyboard, that's the name of the company. It's a 100 key keyboard, which I'm assuming is 100 buttons. But yep, got this on Amazon. I needed an upgrade. I've been rocking my my regular schmegular Dell Daily Driver keyboard that comes with a PC that you buy from Dell. It's been alright, but I just wanted something, something a little bit more personality, something that I can be happy to type, because it's kind of depressing typing on that thing. So I'm gonna do an unboxing review and I'm gonna set it up and let's see if this is a good keyboard. Okay, guys, let's do an unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Boom, straight away we got the keyboard. Let's take it out real quick. All right, got this really soft plastic. Let me take it out. Oh, damn. Get that out the way. I like it. Like, I wanted this type of design. It looks cool. The feel is really nice. Let me give you guys a little 360 real quick. Yes, sir. The USB sticks, the dongle placer, the stand, and I guess we have here to let us know what kind of connection it's at. So pretty cool. All right, let's see what else is in the box. We have here our cable, USB-C cable, I am assuming. Yes, sir, USB-C. We have here our thingy to take off the caps in case you want to switch it. And that's about it. Like, nothing else is in here. Let's talk about the features of this keyboard. First of all, it has 3 methods of connection: wired, Bluetooth, and wireless receiver. All 3 of them works great for me. I used the receiver one just because I think it's perfect. I haven't had any latency. I play games all the time with it and have not had any issues with it. Same with the Bluetooth. Tested it on the phone. It's very responsive. Comes with swappable switches as well if you ever want to change them. Mine comes with the red switches, I think. You have the brown switches, and I forgot the other one, but I'll put it on the screen right here. This keyboard comes with 3 USB ports, USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports, 2 being passed through, which is really cool. Another thing about this keyboard is it has a really good battery. The battery on this is a 3750 mAh battery on it, so it will last you a long time. I've tested it. It lasted me a long time. I think I went several hours in one day playing and I didn't die at once. The only thing is you want to go ahead and make sure that you're not using the RGB all the time, because of course that's gonna drain your battery, but that's normal if you're gonna have that on. I will give you guys a sound test on this one. Sorry for having such a bad quality. I forgot to use this boy on it, but here's the sound test. It sounds really great, so here you go. So we're gonna go ahead and test the Bluetooth of this keyboard. So we gotta go to the back. There's a switch for on, which you don't have to touch if it's wired. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on, and that should, since I have not connected to anything, it should be discoverable. So I'm gonna go on my phone. Let's wait. We found it. Let's connect to it, and it should be just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and once it's done, open a note tab and let's get to it. And I'm gonna see if there's any latency or if there's any lag. So currently, as of now, there isn't anything. Like, it's pretty fast, like no issue. So passes the Bluetooth test for me. So let me know what you guys think is good enough for you guys, but to me it checks out. All right, so this is gonna be the wired connection test, which I don't know why I'm doing this. To be honest, let's just go with it. So I did do a test though, because one of the ends, it's a USB-C, but there is an adapter for USB. So I'm connecting it and it all works. One thing it cannot do is the end that connects to the computer be USB-C. So the USB-C part has to connect to the keyboard. And as you can see, you won't have any issues with the RGB and the battery running out, because that's all It's all good. You getting power no matter what. So I like it. I really wish it was threaded. It would have looked nice. It would have looked, aesthetic, but it is what it is. I'm sure you can buy a third party one if you want, but I'm just saying for the price, I think it should have came with one, but who am I? Who am I to judge? So that all clocks out, just giving you guys just a test to see how it looks. So that's about that. This keyboard does have a blue light for the RGB. It's not like different colors. It's just this one static color. FYI, you can control the brightness and stuff. So there you go with the RGB. I mean with the blue light. Let's talk about the negatives of this keyboard. The build quality is fine. Everything seems fine to me after my review and using it for a couple days. The only thing that I have to say is it's not backlit. Although there is RGB built into this keyboard, the keycaps itself, it's not see-through, so you're gonna have a really hard time typing away at night if you're not good at it typing, if it's not backlit. So that's the only thing that, to me, that's actually kind of a deal breaker for me because, my laptops, my past keyboards had that. So the solution that you can do is you could just buy some keycaps that are see-through. I've tested with another keycap from another keyboard, put it on there that was see-through, and I turned on RGB and it worked just fine. So it's a bummer that, for the price of this keyboard, they couldn't just swap out the keycaps for ones that are see-through, which I'm sure wouldn't have been like a big deal in regards to profit or whatever. But it is what it is. So keep that in mind if you guys are really wanting a backlit. They do have other ones that are see-through, but this one in particular does not. Thanks guys for watching my video. Hope you guys appreciate it, and I'll keep making more videos. I have another one that I bought from that brand, but it's a different one. It's gonna be my daily driver. I'm gonna make a review on that one. I like that one more. So stay tuned guys. Thanks for staying in. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. Let me know if you got it or if you're planning on getting it. So I'll leave it at that. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.